Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Gershon here. We're going to be working with words this week that have the long I sound, but we're going to be talking about words that have the long I sound in the first syllable or the second syllable of the word. So where do you hear that long I sound? Do you hear it when you say the word and you hear it in the first syllable, the long I sound in the first syllable, or the second syllable? We're going to go through our list and then I'll show you how to kind of break that up. And this is some work that you've probably been familiar with from the past. So let's look at our first column. We have frighten, decide, survive, forgive, 90, describe, sidewalk, delight. Next column, beside, advice, driveway, provide, invite, lightning, hire, arrive. And then our last column, surprise, machine, combine, slightly, favorite, polite, brightly, and highway. So when I'm talking about first syllable or second syllable, you want to first of all break your word up. So let's look at our bold words at the top, such as the word frighten. And you can clap these out too. When I say frighten, I'm breaking my word up here between fright and N. And now I'm noticing that my long I sound is at the beginning of the word. Fright, it's in the first syllable. Here's my first syllable, here's my second syllable. So the long I sound comes in the first. So we would put that in our first, under our first column. For our next bold word, we have the word beside. So when I clap that out, beside, I'm breaking it apart after the E. Beside, here's my first syllable, here's my second syllable. I'm hearing that long I sound in my second syllable. So you're really going to have to say your words out loud this week while you are getting ready to start sorting. That way you can decide if your long I is in the first syllable or second syllable. Grab your scissors and happy sorting.